Recycle Bin Restore Lost Data is an Android application designed to help users recover accidentally deleted files and data from their devices. This app acts like a digital recycle bin, allowing individuals to retrieve lost photos, videos, documents, and other file types that may have been thought permanently deleted. Typically, the application features an intuitive interface that makes it easy for users to navigate through their deleted items. It scans the device's storage to locate recoverable files and presents them in a user-friendly format, enabling quick identification of what can be restored. In addition, Recycle Bin Restore Lost Data may include filtering options to sort deleted files by date or type, enhancing the recovery process. The app often provides a preview feature, allowing users to view files before restoring them, which can save time and effort. Overall, Recycle Bin Restore Lost Data is an essential tool for anyone who wants a safety net for their files, ensuring peace of mind by providing the means to recover important data that may have been lost due to accidental deletions.